welcome back to another video. And in today's video I'm doing another shower routine. Yes, the holidays are over, just not here. But yeah, these are gonna work for winter anyways, these scent combinations. So anyways, let's just get into this. So first up, go in with your bar soap, sis. This is the one we always go with, which is the Dove Sensitive Skin Beauty Bar. Very basic. You see this in like every video of mine, so I don't think so we need to explain too much about her. Overall, you can just use a plain bar soap on its own or combine with a body wash. It's honestly your choices because everyone's different, simple. So I like to just go in with a bar soap personally. I don't really use scented body washes. It's just not my thing. I just use scented scrubs instead. So yeah, this is the Dove Sensitive Skin Beauty Bar. Really good for eczema prone or very dry skin. So anything else I gotta say about this? You can use another bar soap if you want, but that's my favorite. Next up, you want to go in with your body wash and surprise soft soap. Juicy pomegranate and mango. Indeed, these flavors are like completely irrelevant with our theme, which is winter candy apple, but I think that this scent just goes so nice with the winter candy apple that like there's no need for the apple body wash. In fact, there is no apple body wash. It is so hard to find apple body washes, so unfortunately I couldn't find one for this video, but I did find this one works nice. So don't think that I just put this in because I didn't have anything else to put in. The Johnson's apple one in the Johnson's baby apple body wash smells kind of gross. So this one instead I included because this actually smells good, and winter candy apple is sweet, and we're not going to spoil it just yet, but this goes really nice. And it's not like your body wash is going to last as strong as your perfume anyways. It's going to like stay on your skin for just a bit and it's going to be gone. So yeah, soft soap isn't that bad of a brand. I know like people hate it, but it's not really that bad. Okay, if you can use OGX, then you can use soft soap. Kind of simple. Anyways, your third step is your body scrub. Now, there are no apple body scrubs in the market at the moment, so you want to go in with the Tree Hut Pink Champagne. And notice that we're doing candy apple and not apple, so there's like the candy-ish touch in it. So this stuff goes so good. Like, this is actually really, really good to pair with this entire combination, because this has like the candy-ish type of scent. Because once I tell you again, this is winter candy apple, or should I say candy apple, not just apples. So it's a really fruity and candy-like scent. Although it is actually champagne, it smells kind of like candy, so it goes really well with the overall combination. So don't have much to say, and yeah, that's my name on top of there. Thank you, Tree Hut, for sending this to me. This is like a rough abrasive scrub, so if you have like really dry or sensitive skin, I wouldn't suggest this for you. So yes, this. Alright, next up, go in with your deodorant. This was so hard to find, but the Dove Advanced Care Apple and White Tea Deodorant. This deodorant is really nice. I love Dove deodorants because they don't really leave my armpits itchy, give me allergies or any of that. No white stains, and actually does its job, like it doesn't make your sweat odor mix in with the very pleasant odor of the deodorant. Either way though, that's kind of gross, but this goes really nice with this combination. Now, of course, today's guest from Bath & Body Works, once again, is Winter Candy Apple. This stuff, sis, oh my god, this smells so good. Like, I literally regret not getting 2 bottles because I actually just bought one. But yo, I swear to god, this smells so good. Although like the notes don't sound as pleasing, the scent is really pleasing, guys. So the notes are candy red apple, winter rose petals, candied orange, maple leaf, and fresh cinnamon. So you could see why I kind of paired the soft soap body wash, the orange vibe. But it doesn't really smell like oranges. So yeah, as you can see, made with shea butter, cocoa butter, and aloe. This is like a very thick cream. It's a cream, by the way, not a lotion. So this is much thicker than the lotion. If you have like really oily skin or you feel like this is too thick for you, then go on and grab the lotion. Either way, winter candy apple is a great scent, everyone. I expected it to smell like apples or very light, but literally it smells like apples and roses. Like, it's not a strong touch of roses though, so like if you don't like roses, there's nothing to worry about. And of course, we are going to pair that with the very matching winter candy apple. So yeah, I don't really have much to say because it's literally the same thing, but literally the scent is so beautiful. My words can't explain. From the like winter traditions collection, this is by far the best scent. Like, I swear by this scent, y'all. Literally, you need to grab it. It's so fresh, yet like sweet and flowery. It's amazing. You literally need this scent for the winter, especially when you're like the fresh fan, because usually winter scents are very gourmand and warm. But this one is the complete opposite, so let's read you the notes once again. Candy red apple, winter rose, candied orange, and I couldn't read the rest. Anyways, overall this came out way better than I expected. You know, like, I'm personally not the biggest apple fan, but I really, really like this. Highly suggest this one. It's so good. It's really fresh. That's the thing I noticed. And when it's a winter scent and it's fresh, that is a big turn on for me. Like, literally, that scent, it just slaps, because usually you're used to like vanilla, hot cocoa, and all that for winter. But anyways, let's kind of go over what I did in this video. All right, first up, go in with your bar soap, Dove Sensitive Skin Bar right here. Then next up, also using a washcloth, forgot to mention that. Use your soft soap, Juicy Pomegranate and Mango. And now you will notice that I couldn't show the rest of it because for some reason I lost the clip. But yeah, go in with your scrub, then out of the shower, put on your lotion, and apply this mist right here, Winter Candy Apple. So pretty simple. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow my Instagram. I really want to get to 40,000 followers, so I know we can do it. Anyways, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!